Guys, this is my first cast. Let's see. We're using fish on. We caught a fish. It's a peacock bass, cause I can tell how he's fighting. Haha, nice. He's fighting super well. Oh yeah. He's huge. Nice. Well, not huge, but he's big. Let's get him in. Oh yeah, he's huge. I gotta be careful here. Now, look at this, guys. Beautiful, awesome peacock bass. It is almost ginormous. Look at it. It's fat and it has an injury in its eye. So yeah, take a closer look at this beautiful fish, guys. And now we're gonna release it. It's awesome. It fought super well and it's big. It weighs a lot. Now we're gonna release it. Take a closer look at it. Fish on, guys. We caught another peacock bass. There's a pair. It's a pair. I'm not sure which gender this one is. It might be a male. I think so. He's fighting well. Oh no, I gotta be careful here. And we brought him in. Guys, look at this beautiful peacock bass. We just caught one. This is a pair. We're gonna try to catch the other one over there. They're all starting to nest now, guys. That means that they're gonna start breeding, and we're gonna have more peacock bass soon. So we're gonna release it, and we're gonna try to catch the other one. Another peacock bass, I'm pretty sure. We literally just threw the other one, as you guys saw, and now we have another one. I'm pretty sure this is not the other pair, but we have him here. Nice, and he's fighting pretty well. He has a lot of tension. Let me just release this a little bit. Nice, yes. Let me bring him in, because he's getting tired out. Oh no. And here we have it. Good day today. Another fish. This is, I think, my third fish today. We just released the other fish that we just caught, the other peacock bass. This was right over there, and we caught him. It fought pretty well. I'm pretty sure this is a male because of the hump, or it might be a female, I'm not sure. So now take a closer look at it. And now, peacock bass. We caught another peacock bass, and this is the female from that other male that I told you. It's a couple. We caught them both. It didn't fight pretty well because it was right in the edge. It had a nest. Now let me try to take the hook off. Guys, this is a female peacock bass. They're already making nests so quickly, guys. I think it already has its babies, guys. Now take a look at it, and we're gonna release it back in its nest.